Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a great day today. Um, Jalapenos, onion, an egg. I've got some lamb. So I'm either going to make meatballs or burgers, or I'm thinking that I might even make a spicy jalfrezi and make some meatballs with them and the onion and the jalapenos, mix them up in a bowl, looks like that. I'll probably dice the onion in a ninja, so it's pretty small. Mix the jalapenos with it in that. Got a little sharp blade in there, and then I'll chuck them ingredients into that. Maybe put an egg in it to bind it all together. Chuck some lamb in there, and take it from there. Probably won't need to use all that lamb, probably half of it maybe. I'll see how we get on, eh? So I'm just going to open the onion up. So I'm just going to chuck some jalapenos in there. Just chuck my onion in there. Onions in there. And I'm just going to put that in the blender. So just going to pulse it. Oh, that looks like. So probably not quite what I was expecting, but you know, something like that. Yeah. I might just put it in a frying pan and cook it a little bit first before putting the lamb in there. Or just chuck the lamb in there. Go for it. So I decided just to chuck the lamb in there. Well, I might even use a spoon, to be fair. Might be a bit easier. I'll stick my hand in it. So if you hadn't guessed, this is my first time trying to make these. Never done anything like this before with lamb. Obviously jalapenos and onions. Obviously used jalapenos and onions before, but not in this combination. So this is all new stuff for me, really. Another day of winging it. If you can let me know in the comments how I'm getting on, whether you think I'm doing it right, wrong, or just acceptable. I can tell you now that the food tasted lovely. The rice was overcooked, but the jalfrezi was pretty bang on. I mean, yeah. Just try and combine all these ingredients together a bit better than what I was with a spoon. There's some obviously bigger chunks in there than I anticipated, really. I thought that the ninja might get it all pretty small, but there was still some big bits in there, as you'll see. Yeah. Something like that. The plate or something. Just rolling these up, sort of. Whole jalapeno in there. And that's it, all we've got. 6 meatballs, lamb balls, whatever you want to call them. Right. So they might go in looking like meatballs, but they might come out looking like burgers, or even just a mess. And I didn't use the egg. Oily anyway, aren't they? I thought I'm just going to flick them in there. See how that works out for me. They're in there. Let's see if I can find a lid for it. Yep, definitely starting to look like burgers. So the spicy Bengali jalfrezi is going in there. Well, there you go. There's the ingredients. Read that. There you go. So with this, add the spices in first. Chuck all that in there. What's that done? Just cook that for 20 seconds. Oh yeah, that smells quite nice. We've got next, we've got add meat or vegetables, brown lightly. Add base sauce, simmer for base sauce. What's this one? The meat back in there. Add this. Like that. Should use just one pan. Oh no, I forgot to put in here. I forgot to put the mushrooms in it. And there's the main sauce. Chuck all that in there. Just gonna wash that out. Get a bit of fluid in there. Maybe a bit much, but there you go. It's all in there. Just going to cook that up, just let that take in all the flavours. See what they're like. Oh, what this is going to look like. Look like a mess, I think. As long as it's cooked. It's got some big lumps in it. There we go. With that, I've got some basmati rice, I believe. Pack it fresh. Just got to bang in the microwave for 4 minutes or so. Just going to let that simmer down. That's what it looks like. Don't know what it tastes like. Guess we'll find out in a minute. So I've got some basmati rice. So yeah, that's that. And I've just got a panini with some kerrygold butter on it. I do. I made it last time. I got a cheese on top. A little bit of cheese on there. I don't know about a little bit. Maybe a little bit too much cheese on there. And right. So spicy that. The lamb tastes nice as well. Better than the shop bought one. Obviously the lamb's pretty clean, isn't it? So yeah, not big lumps of fat on it and all the rest of it. But yeah, it tastes nice. So that's a win for me. Another one. Right. Enjoy your day, people. I'll see you later.